Hi, my name is Jamie Reyes. I'm the owner and injector at Lola's Medical Spa in Chalmette, Louisiana. I decided to attend the cadaver course because it's been on the bucket list for a while, and I felt like it's necessary to be providing the best safety and the best injecting practices to my patients. I have not had a course like that where we went through all the anatomy for 4 hours prior and learning all the layers in the face, and that was amazing. What I learned that was most exciting for me and the biggest pearl was how to safely inject the tear troughs and the temples, which are two high-risk areas, and I'm excited to bring that back home. My experience in the cadaver lab was wonderful. It was nice to be able to feel those planes and know exactly where I was going with the needle or cannula, and that I was in those safe zones as we dissected and was able to see that with the dye inside the filler. Working with other providers, other nurses and nurse practitioners was wonderful. We all collaborate when we get in a group together, and so we already started that, asking each other products that we liked and what injection sites we kind of did like better than others, and so we collaborated real quickly. I would absolutely recommend this course to a friend or a colleague. It is very important that people in our industry maintain safety and high standards in our injection techniques and the way we take care of our patients. We need to keep this industry safe, and this is the first step to making that happen.